Have you ever wondered how custom designs are printed on your favorite t-shirts? A heat press machine makes it happen for you. It uses high pressure and heat to transfer designs onto fabric. If you are looking for the best heat press machine available in the market, then here are the top 5 excellent options that we found. The 5th product on this list is the AKEYDIY Heat Press Machine. The AKEYDIY Heat Press Machine is designed for both professionals and hobbyists. It features advanced heating technology with a press casting aluminum heating plate that's coated with Teflon, ensuring a safe, even, and efficient transfer process. The machine provides ample surface area, making it perfect for creating custom t-shirts, mugs, and caps with precise and high-quality results. One of its standout features is the 360-degree rotation and full-range heat press. The swing-away design allows for easy adjustments with the multi-spring pressure knob, ensuring that materials of different thicknesses can be perfectly pressed. This design ensures that the two plates fit together evenly, resulting in a consistent and high-quality print. The machine also boasts a dual-2 heating system, which reduces the temperature difference between the center and edges to just 5 degrees, enhancing the overall performance. Whether you're pressing t-shirts or creating personalized mugs, this feature ensures that each print is flawless. Safety is also a priority with the AKEYDIY Heat Press Machine. The Teflon-coated heating platen prevents scorching of transfers, and the machine operates at a much safer temperature. While the press reaches 200 degrees Celsius, the surface temperature remains only around 50–70 degrees Celsius. However, the machine can be bulky, making it challenging for users with limited space. Additionally, it may require some practice to master all the functions and settings. The 4th product on this list is the VEVOR Auto Heat Press Machine. The VEVOR Auto Heat Press Machine is designed to make your heat transfer projects easier and more productive. One of its key features is effortless operation. With the automatic pressure adjustment, this heat press eliminates the need for constant manual adjustments. Simply set the temperature and time, and the machine will automatically detect the thickness of your material and calibrate the pressure for optimal results. This feature saves time and effort, allowing you to relax while the machine does the work. This machine is designed to boost your productivity. It comes with 3 preset modes, making it quick and easy to select the ideal parameters with just one click. The rapid and uniform heating technology ensures a consistent temperature across the plate, reducing wait times by up to 30%. Whether you are working with t-shirts, totes, or even more delicate materials like wooden signs and ceramic coasters, this heat press can handle a wide range of projects with precision. The VEVOR Heat Press also ensures a quieter and safer experience. Thanks to its noise-reducing metal gear mechanism, it operates quietly, allowing for a more focused and peaceful workspace. The pull-out drawer design keeps your hands away from the hot plate, minimizing the risk of burns. Additionally, the built-in high-temperature protection system automatically stops heating, ensuring safety. However, one drawback of this machine is that it is relatively bulky, which could take up considerable space in a smaller workshop. Also, it may not be ideal for extremely thick materials beyond its 1.1-inch thickness limit. Still haven't found the best heat press machine for your needs? Keep on watching because the next 3 products will surely blow your mind. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for the latest reviews of techs you can't live without. The 3rd product on this list is the Cricut Autopress. The Cricut Autopress is designed for those seeking professional-grade results. This makes it perfect for various heat transfer projects, from custom apparel to personalized home items. What truly sets the Cricut Autopress apart is its zero-effort operation. With just 2 fingers, you can close the machine and engage the motor, providing perfect pressure every time without the strain typically associated with heat presses. This feature makes it incredibly easy to use, especially for long bulk projects. Safety and control are top priorities with the Cricut Autopress. The control pod lets you dial in precise time and temperature settings, and you can even create one-touch presets for efficiency. Its extra-wide clearance, fan-assisted airflow, and auto-off feature ensure a safe, smooth experience during prolonged use. Plus, it includes a non-slip silicone Cricut pressing mat that helps eliminate moisture and ensures even heat distribution. However, A notable downside is its bulkiness, which can make storage a challenge, especially for those with limited space. Additionally, while the machine's automated functions are convenient, it may not suit users who prefer more manual control over their projects. The second product on this list is the Steamfast SF-680. The Steamfast SF-680 is designed to make steaming fabrics quick and convenient. With its 10-ounce easy-fill water tank, the machine heats up in just 3 minutes, allowing you to start steaming almost immediately. The press also features an automatic shut-off function that alerts you when left idle for too long, ensuring safety and energy efficiency. This steam press comes with 5 fabric settings, including nylon, silk, wool, cotton, and linen, which makes it versatile and adaptable to different materials. 2 steam burst buttons on the handle allow for a powerful burst of steam, helping you tackle stubborn wrinkles with ease. The non-stick pressing surface measures 25 by 10.5 inches, providing a large area for steaming and ironing. Additionally, its tabletop size and press lock feature makes it easy to carry and store. The Steamfast SF-680 also comes with useful accessories such as a spray bottle, pressing cushion, and measuring cup to enhance the steaming process. However, one downside to consider is that it is designed specifically for US voltage, so it may not be suitable for international use without a voltage converter. Additionally, the water tank may need frequent refills for larger steaming tasks. Before we reveal the best heat press machine on this list, be sure to check out the description below for the newest and best deals on each of these items. And don't forget to subscribe if you want the latest news on the best products on the market. Finally, our best heat press machine is the AKEYDIY Auto Heat Press 2. The AKEYDIY Auto Heat Press 2 is designed to streamline the heat pressing process. It offers customizable pressure settings with a range of up to 170 pounds, allowing you to tailor the pressure according to your project. Whether you're working with delicate fabrics, multi-layer transfers, or thicker items like hoodies, this machine ensures professional-grade results. The flexibility of pressure adjustment makes it suitable for a wide variety of materials like puff HTV, DTF, sublimation, and heat transfer paper. This heat press machine features an impressive 1.77-inch heating height, offering more space for larger designs compared to the typical 1-inch height found in other models. With its 15x 15-inch heat plate, it accommodates bigger projects such as t-shirts, hoodies, and even home decor items. It also heats up quickly, reaching 410 degrees Fahrenheit in just 5 minutes and 30 seconds, saving you up to 30% of the waiting time. One standout feature of the AKEYDIY Auto Heat Press 2 is its auto-press and auto-release function. This eliminates the need for manual effort, making the process more efficient, especially for small businesses and craft enthusiasts. The ergonomic design and adjustable screen provide ease of use, while the built-in preset and custom parameters ensure you get the best results every time. However, some users may find the machine size a bit bulky for limited workspace areas, and the heating plate may require careful maintenance to ensure even heat distribution. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you can't wait for the next video, check out these 2 that we think you'd love. We'll see you guys in the next fantastic techs you can't live without videos.